Shalom, family. God bless you all. Thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour. And today, my friends, we are at Bum 6411 Ford Chase here in Preston Hollow in Dallas, Texas. Going to be checking out this absolutely stunning, exquisite, modern transitional estate built by S&R Development, my friends. I am super excited to feature this phenomenal home, guys. I can't wait for you to see the primary bathroom closet. It is going to leave you speechless. Alrighty, and right away, man, I am so in love with this modern transitional elevation. It looks phenomenal, guys. So I'm super excited to take y'all along. Want to give a huge thank you to the team out at S&R Development for letting us take a tour of their newest project. That just hit the market, my friends. It literally just hit the market. So we're getting an exclusive sneak peek to this beautiful property, guys. So as always, my friends, y'all already know, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, my friends. Join the YouTube familia. We would love to have you guys part of the YouTube family. And if you're looking to build, buy, or find your new construction home or any type of property here in the Dallas area, guys, and the surrounding suburbs, you guys can always visit our website at navarealtygroup.co and schedule a free consultation call, my friends. We would love to be of service. And I'm going to leave all the details to this beautiful property in the description, guys. There's going to be a direct link where you guys can see all the fine details of this beautiful property, guys. But without further ado, man, let's get right into it, guys, because there's a lot to take in. Alrighty, I actually just met with the builder before I got here, guys, and very sweet family. They completed this beautiful project, and as you can see, the fine details in every single room. You're gonna see the love, the passion, and care that they have for their projects, guys. So this is actually the study overlooking the front yard here. Very beautiful mature trees, as y'all can see. Loving all of these floor-to-ceiling windows with the matte black trims. And as you guys can see, you're in the heart of Preston Hollow. So lots of very gorgeous custom estates all throughout. And you got the infamous, most glorious, beautiful trees all throughout, which is really why I love this area, guys. This area is just, it feels magical as you're driving through Preston Hollow, Highland Park, University Park, and all the beautiful mature trees. Now here you do have a very beautiful half bathroom here already. And that is a beautiful marble countertop there, sink. My apologies, guys. And then as you guys can see here, we do have the gold handles and hinges all throughout, guys. So this is gonna be an additional kind of a little storage area here. Alrighty. And now this is the floating staircase leading up to that second deck. Now the cool thing that the builder pointed out to me was that these are actually steel implanted. So as you guys can see, it is floating and the support is coming in from the steel within the actual wood there, which is really cool. And then they even added a nice little linear fireplace right below here. All right, you got that nice white oak flooring all throughout. Here you do have a formal dining room, beautifully situated. Man, oh man, look at that. And I love how they smooth out all the walls here. I mean, beautiful handcrafted light fixtures is what he was telling me, which is phenomenal. Look at that. Alrighty, got a full kind of tile, concrete tile here, wall here. And then as you're walking in through the foyer, you have an absolutely stunning open concept. Look at this. Wow, this is a mic drop, guys. You know what, guys, I don't get too excited with, because I've seen a lot of homes throughout my career, guys. I've been in this business for 6 years now, and that doesn't even count, the years that I was in, my mom and, my whole family. We've been around real estate my whole entire life, but I have seen a lot of properties, guys, and this one gets me just very giddy because, look at the fine details. Gorgeous handcrafted light fixtures. Loving all this woodwork all throughout this wall here. And you got this beautiful linear fireplace with that nice marble mantle there. And you do have the floor to ceiling windows overlooking this beautiful pool back here. Alrighty. And then you have that nice woodwork up on the ceilings with the wooden custom beams and additional lights as well. Alrighty. And then look at this beautiful gourmet kitchen. And look at that slab of marble countertop. Looks absolutely stunning. Alrighty, you got the Sub-Zero double fridge here. Look at that, guys. Loving the bronze gold handles there. And then this is top of the line Wolf appliances, guys. This is a 6-burner gas cooktop, beautiful stainless steel hood vent. And I love all these windows as the backsplash here. Look at that. Alrighty. Very, very beautiful, guys. Alrighty. And look at the amount of counter space here. Wow. Alrighty. And my friends, by the way, guys, just want to give y'all an update on baby Shalom, okay? Because y'all have been asking, how's baby Shalom doing? She is growing, guys. She's 2 weeks, or just over 2 weeks, guys. She was born August 31st. And by God's grace, guys, she is growing. She's beautiful. And best believe, guys, we are getting the newborn feels, man. We're, she's up late nights, guys, having a good old time. For some reason, she likes to sleep all day and party all night. So we are definitely getting our reps in throughout the night season, guys. So the wifey is tired. Please keep her in your prayers, guys, because during the newborn season, she always wants to be around mom already because, she's always hungry. So, by the way, guys, beautiful frosted garage doors here. They even added light fixtures. They even insulated the actual garage here. You have epoxy flooring. They added the beautiful light fixtures. And look at the coats of paints that they added here. Very unique up on the ceilings there. Definitely ready for a gym, ready for a room, because like I said, it does have that AC already ready to rock and roll in this garage. So it's a 3-car garage, my friends. Alrighty. Wow. But my friends, like I was saying, God has been so faithful, guys. Baby girl Shalom is healthy. She is just over 8 pounds, guys. So she is growing, and she actually gained some weight after birth. And so we're so excited. And yeah, guys, be sure to check us out on Instagram. He's Nava Family TX, guys. We're posting updates on the daily life on there. And but yeah, guys, that being said, just in case you guys were wondering, she is just absolutely a blessing in our lives, and we're just so excited just to watch her and just be her parents, guys. It's becoming a parent, honestly, my friends, guys, I have so much respect to parents out there. You guys are just like, it's so important. Like I talk to my mom now, because my mom was this, single mom that, raised my brother and I. And I just have so much respect for her, because I look at my wife and I'm like, man, I'm here to support her, but I can't imagine all the moms out there that, single moms or single dads, or it's just crazy. And I just have so much respect for my parents. Well, my mom, because she just brought my brother and I up, and, it's just crazy to think about, because there's so much work that gets involved. So shout out to all the parents out there. And if you have a mom and dad, guys, please give them a big hug. Just be thankful, because guys, they put a lot of work, okay? A lot of work. I mean, and I'm barely, about to be 3 weeks in with a newborn. I can't imagine, when she's 2, when she's 4, when she's 10, 15, and all the worries that you think about. Like, I'm just thinking and looking back at my childhood, I was a little rebel, man. This was BC, before Christ. And so, guys, I don't know how my mom did it. But anyways, praise the Lord for her, guys. But anyways, so this is a primary suite. You got a beautiful fireplace, wood burning, absolutely stunning. Got lots of windows, bring a lot of gorgeous natural lighting. And then once again, got the absolutely phenomenal, elegant light fixtures. And this primary bathroom, man, this is it right here. Look at this. Floating vanities, got 3 beautiful LED touch mirrors. And then you got that nice bronze champagne gold plumbing fixtures, stand-up shower, seamless glass, soaking tub, privacy glass window, and then you got an additional vanity for my wives out there already. And then you got that nice little bench there, and just absolutely phenomenal. Loving the beautiful concrete look all throughout, guys. Look at that. Tiled all the way up to the ceilings. Looks beautiful. And look at this closet. This is gonna leave you speechless. Look at this. Oh my gosh, ladies, come on now, talk to me. Mamas, my wives out there, is this the dream closet? Comment down below. Gentlemen, we can't even look at this, okay? This is not our section right here. This is, this right here. This is what we're gonna work with, gentlemen. So, but look at this. Wow, beautiful. I love the island here, right in the dead center. It looks absolutely phenomenal. My gosh, love the walnut color look. You know what? Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of walnut, but guys, this just blends so well. I love the color tones. Did such a fantastic job. Once again, the builder, guys, so much love, passion, and care. As you guys can see, all the fine details, the baseboards, this, the smoothing out of the walls. I mean, the designs, the features, they did such a great job, guys. Alrighty, definitely something very unique here in the Preston Hollow area. Alrighty, loving these glass floating staircase leading up to that second deck, my friends. Alrighty, and then as you get up here, you will have a game room. Look at that. Woo, man, oh man, love the woodwork here all throughout the wall here. Beautiful game room. You have the sliders leading out to the front balcony here. Alrighty, whoa, look at that. Beautiful. Alrighty, the miss is actually in the car right now with baby Shalom because we're gonna do a video here for Instagram in a bit. And so, look at that, guys. Beautiful views, beautiful sunset here in Dallas, guys. By the way, my friends, we're getting a lot of y'all relocating from different states, which, man, keep them coming, guys. The rates are getting better, by the way. The market's looking a lot more optimistic. It's just, guys, Dallas is the place to be. And there's a lot of really beautiful areas, just in case you're not want to be in actual Dallas here around the, actual, obviously Dallas. But if you want to be closer to the suburbs, there's beautiful properties all across the metropolitan, guys. Whether you're looking at Frisco, Salina, Prosper, McKinney, I mean, just about anywhere, guys. My biggest tip is location is paramount, my friends. Okay, before you buy property, you obviously want to make sure you do your due diligence. Look at the location, look at the comps, look at the neighboring properties, look at the school districts, the tax rating, see if there's any PIDs, any MUDs, and really make sure who and really who you're aligning with in terms of builder, guys. There's a lot of different, things you got to really look about when you're buying or building a property, guys. And so, yeah, I mean, this is another bedroom here. We have beautiful fans here, very modern, gold hinges. And then look at these other bathrooms. I mean, look at the fine details. LED mirrors, loving the quartz, this is a granite, alrighty. Nice, moody, dark granite countertops, stand-up shower, beautiful porcelain tile all throughout, nice walk-in closets. Look at that beauty. Alrighty. Wow. Absolutely stunning, man. Alrighty, this is perfect for entertaining, guys. I mean, and they even added a bar up here. I mean, they thought of everything. And this over here, we're gonna have another ensuite, guys. I mean, we're talking, I wanna say this is just over 6,000 square feet, guys. New construction already. And you can't go wrong with the Preston Hollow area. I mean, this area is prime time real estate, guys. A lot of what's happening in this area is you're seeing a lot of older properties being torn down, lots of new developments, lots of new construction happening because, once again, this area, I mean, you're super centrally located to just about everywhere. You have Love Field Airport minutes away, guys. My wife and I, we actually built a custom home closer to the University Park, Inwood area. And guys, you know what? I actually used to live in Rockwall, and so I lived out there for a couple of years, the wife and I. And don't get me wrong, I love Rockwall, alrighty. The only thing is the bridge sometimes can get a little hectic, but you know what? They're actually doing the additional 4 lanes, so it is getting a lot smoother coming in from I-30. But we lived out there for a couple of years. I love the suburbs. It was a great time. But obviously the good Lord brought us out to Dallas, and lots of amazing opportunities that have come out here. And guys, I'll be honest, I love the convenience. I love, the fact that, hey, everything's right around the corner. You got shopping, dining, North Park Mall. You got, restaurants galore. You have Love Field Airport right around the corner. I mean, it's super centrally located, and there's a lot of really awesome private schools in the area too, which is going to be great for baby Shalom. Well, that's obviously if we're still around the area, but we shall see, my friends. But guys, yeah, there's definitely lots of really beautiful opportunities around the metropolitan, guys. Lots of growth happening, especially north of Dallas right now with Universal Studios and Firefly Park. I mean, they're doing a whole surf resort style, amusement park thing in McKinney, which is crazy. I mean, there's just so much happening in the Dallas area, guys. It is definitely time to hey, you know what, look into it, guys, because like I said, I mean, I just can't fathom where the city's going to be at in the next 5 to 10 to 15 years. I mean, with all the growth, infrastructure, development that is happening out here, guys, it's phenomenal. So anyways, my friends, I know I talked a lot. This is what I love to do in my videos. I like to share. I like to talk about my life and give y'all updates because y'all are fam. All right, y'all my family, okay? Y'all the Napa family, alrighty? My Shalom family, you guys are, I want to update y'all. I want y'all to get to know me. I know some people have been getting comments like Armando or just newer people that are just like Armando, or not Armando, but they just say, hey, stop talking. I don't want to hear you talking, blah, blah, blah. Guys, you know what? That's, if you don't want to hear me talking, then there's other channels that just play music. They don't talk, nobody talks, and you know, you never get to know who's behind the screen. But no, here in this channel, you guys get to know about us. You guys get to know who we are, our faith, our family, and really just a little bit about everything, guys. We like to talk. You know, I want to get to know you guys. I want y'all to connect with me. I want y'all to vibe with me, okay? And yeah, guys, I mean, we've been almost 5 years strong on the channel, and you guys have been a blessing in our lives. All the beautiful connections, all the beautiful families we've been able to meet and build their dream homes, guys. It's been such a blessing, guys. The Lord has been good. He's been faithful like he always is. And guys, y'all are amazing. Seriously, all the love, the support, all the comments, all the prayers that you guys, you know, especially when baby Shalom was still in my wife's womb, and you know, you guys were just praying for us, and it was a smooth pregnancy. You guys are just amazing, and I just can't stop thanking you guys for how amazing you guys are, and just a blessing you guys have been to our families. Because really, without you guys, I mean, you know, and all the beautiful families that have used us and have given us the opportunity. I mean, guys, you are truly a blessing in our lives, and I can't thank y'all enough. I seriously can't. And so anyways, I know. All right, I'm sorry. I'm overextending the video more than it should be. But guys, I'm going to share with y'all the good news, by far the greatest part of the videos, and that is John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, and all those who believe in him will not perish but have everlasting life. My friends, these homes are breathtaking. They're beautiful. They're absolutely stunning. But my friends, there's an eternal home. The eternal home that the good Lord has reserved for you, for me, and for all of us through what he did on that cross at Calvary, my friends. Alrighty, these homes are gorgeous, they're breathtaking, but there is an eternal home that will never come to an end, and it's non-perishable, guys. Alrighty, there's no loan applications, there's no pre-approvals, there's no inspections you got to do. It's been paid for in full on that cross at Calvary, where our Lord paid the ultimate price for sinners like us, my friends. Alrighty, guys, God bless you. That is the greatest news you ever hear in your life. Alrighty, I love every one of you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, for subscribing, for just being a part of the journey. Alrighty, it's such a beautiful, blessed journey, guys. I can't believe it's already been 5 years almost on YouTube and social media. And I mean, God has been so faithful, you know, and you guys know the testimony. A lot of y'all know that when I got out of the Marines, guys, I was lost in the sauce. And 2019, guys, I went from being a Marine, a sergeant in the Marines, a sergeant of Marines, guys, and you know, living that life and coming back to the civilian sector, it was really tough on me. I didn't know what I was going to do with my life. I was broken. I was lost. But by God's grace, he sent my beautiful wife, and we met out in New York. And you know, the rest is history, guys. And now we have a beautiful daughter, and this is what we do, guys. And we have our beautiful firm, and just God's been so faithful, guys. So the Bible says, first seek the kingdom of heaven, and all those will be added unto you, guys. I cannot stress that it's enough. Seek him first, have faith, have patience, and surrender to him daily. I can't, surrender to him, guys, and watch him establish his plans, not ours, but his. Alrighty, he will lead the way as always. Alrighty, guys, God bless you. Shalom, peace be with you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.